Good afternoon. Do you like spicy foods with a kick? I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how to make some Cajun jambalaya. In under 1 hour, you've got a dinner under 500 calories. There are a lot of ingredients and quite a few things that you're going to need to make your jambalaya. First, you're going to want a flat spatula. You're going to want a spoon that has some slots, a bowl, and a large skillet. The ingredients are as followed. You will need 2 tablespoons of peanut oil divided, 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, 10 ounces of sausage diced into rounds, 1 pound of boneless chicken breast cut into 1-inch pieces, 1 onion diced, 1 small pepper diced, 2 stalk celeries diced too, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 16-ounce can of Italian crushed tomatoes, a half teaspoon of ground pepper, a half teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of hot sauce, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of fowl powder. And if you don't know what fowl powder is, it is a dried ground leaf from the sassafras tree. It is used a lot in Creole cooking because it adds some, it thickens the dish and it ends up being a little spicy. You will also need 1 1/4 cups of white rice and 2.5 cups of chicken broth. Once you have all your ingredients ready, you are ready to start the process. Heat 1 tablespoon of peanut oil in your large skillet over medium heat. Season the sausage and the chicken pieces with the Cajun seasoning. This adds a lot of spice to your meat. If you don't like spicy, you don't have to add the Cajun seasoning. Saute the sausage until it's browned. And when you do that, remove it and put it in your bowl. Make sure you get all the sauce off if you can, so you can put your sausage in your bowl. Add the other tablespoon of peanut oil and saute the chicken pieces until it's lightly browned on all sides. After you do that, remove that as well with a spoon. In the same pot, you're going to want to put sauteed onions, bell pepper, celery, and garlic until all of that is tender. Stir in your crushed tomatoes and season with the red pepper, the black pepper, your salt, hot pepper sauce, and your Worcestershire sauce and fowl powder. Stir back in the chicken and the sausage and cook for 10 minutes. You're probably going to stir that occasionally too. Last but not least, stir in your rice and your chicken broth and bring all of that into a boil. Once it starts to boil, make sure you reduce your heat a little bit and let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. This process has a prep time of 20 minutes, a cook time of 45 minutes, and after 1 hour, your dish is ready and will feed you and 5 other guests. The nutritional facts: calories are 466, there's only 19.8 grams of fat, and your cholesterol is 73. In conclusion, I have demonstrated steps you have if you ever want to add a little spice into your life. If you would like to add in some adult beverage, I hear that white wine and beer goes a long way with this dish as well. Thank you so much, and I hope your Cajun jambalaya turns out perfectly.